Good morning, guys. Oh look, there's the river. We are in Johor Bahru, if you didn't know. If you didn't know. There's Singapore over there, over the bridge, if you didn't know. If you didn't know. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing today. A bit of a strange start, but at the moment I'm trying to sort out this laundry. We are actually leaving tomorrow, so ideally I'd be getting some laundry that I could pick up tonight. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna try, see what I can do. I think there is one around here somewhere. Oh, and if you're look, I don't know if it's the Bahasa word, but it's Dobi, D-O-B-I, or D-O-H-D-O-B-H-I, Dobi. Definitely here in Johor. I haven't heard it before. I think maybe Malaysia as well. Anyway, there's a place around here somewhere. I'm gonna give it a go. See if they can do it as quick as possible. But yeah, I think, yeah, because we're leaving at some point in time tomorrow. Like I said, ideally today. Thank you. Let's go find it. So we got all these crows behind me. There's like 10 all hanging out waiting for something. I don't know what they're waiting for, but I don't want to wait with them. Found these guys, gonna try them. Literally just around the corner. Dobby. Okay, failed mission already. I think that's probably all I could do. I think because I found another one and I know that they couldn't do a same day service, and it's a bit further away as well. But yeah, these guys were saying that they can't do it today either. It'll be 1 o'clock tomorrow, and I think I'm on a bus at about 12. So yeah, that doesn't work out. Oh well. So now I'm just gonna go have a coffee somewhere and chill out. I think would be a good idea. Yes. Okay guys, I just came around the corner to this place, Hongguan. I saw these weird green things, but also I'm gonna have a coffee. Basically got iced KOPI C, I think, large. Iced KOPI C. Now I know that there's like O, KOPI, and then C. One's sugar, one's with milk, one's not with milk. I don't know, I just went basically for the most expensive one, hoping that it has everything. Yeah, they did tell me before what it was, but then it got it mixed up with if it was with milk or not, or ice or not. So I thought O was with ice and not ice. I don't know, can't remember. But we'll wait and see. Yeah, and these weird things. Don't really know what they are, but I assume they are like a rice sweet. Oh, thank you. Yeah, a rice thing. But yeah, I'll just wait for my coffee, I think. Okay guys, the coffee has come. Yeah. Not sure what the C or the O means, or the non-C or O, but that definitely has sugar in it, definitely has milk in it, definitely has coffee in it, definitely has ice in it. So if that's what you want, choose whichever one I chose. Then we got these things. They're a bit wobbly. They look really, really good. Let's try and get them out. Yeah, literally look, wobble. Yeah, this one as well. Getting it on the plate. Wow. And then we got coconut. Bag of coconut. Don't know what they are, don't know what they're called, but they're wobbly, they're green, and I've just put coconut on them. weird. A bit like custard, I would say. A bit eggy. I guess it's potato, flour, sweet stuff. But they're not very sweet. But they definitely preserve. The coffee's actually sweeter. I mean, but very good. Coconut's a bit salty actually. I think they must add salt to it. But yeah, very good. Very good. Oh, gosh, that's gonna wake me up. And then probably crash me from the sugar. But it's nice. Nice to just sit, watch the wheel go by a little bit. Yeah, come to this place, Hongguan. I guess that means cafeteria or kopitian. I don't know what that means. Guessing these things, people guessing. Yes. Hang on, I'll just check exactly what one I ordered. Because I've got these other amazing dishes. Basil seed and Rosalind drink, homemade soya. I mean, it's a pretty amazing place. I got probably the most boring drink they have. But yeah, Kopi C with ice. So large, I imagine. I hope it's large. Yeah, this one. 360 that was. I don't know how much these are, but we'll find out. I'll let you know at the end. For now, just gonna chill for a bit. Catch you later. Alright, well I finished this. I was gonna go out, but then that's happening. Literally bucketing down here. Everybody just ran inside here, even people that weren't coming in, you know. Just about to leave as well. Might wait here a little bit longer, I think. Today, like I said, we were thinking of going to Singapore. Actually, the weather is usually better in Singapore. I don't know. Wow. Funny how it can just bucket down. I think it's only supposed to rain for a little bit. Like a lot, but for a little time. Yes, I don't have an umbrella. I've got all my clothes, dirty though, with me. So, yeah, the idea of wet, dirty clothes doesn't really interest me at the moment. I might just wait it out. Gosh, it's getting windy as well. Okay, guys. Very funny. Well, I'm having a second coffee. Because pouring with rain again. So yes, coffee. I just laughed because right here there was like a plant that actually the guy took out of the rain and then turned upside down. So I just realized that it was a fake one. Really ironic. Basically poured it upside down to tip all the water out. Really funny. It's a funny like situation where you're like, what? You're pouring water out of the plant? Okay. Some plants like water. Obviously not this one. Cool guys. Well, yeah, I'm here for a bit. But I got a hot one this time. And I worked it all out. Well, I'm not sure if that's got it. Maybe it has. So, there's Kopi O, Kopi, and Kopi C, right? Kopi by itself, there's no sugar, it's just plain. Wow, it's just coffee and milk, I think, with susu, so milk as well, I think, right? And then Kopi O is with sugar, pretty straightforward. And then Kopi C is actually what I would call like a Lao coffee, just because I've been to Lao like a long time ago and basically got addicted to these things. A Lao coffee, but I think generally it's more known as a Vietnamese coffee. But it's actually coffee with condensed milk, which instead of sugar, it's like the sweetener and the milk combined, you know? It's like really good. It's better, I always find it better when it's an iced coffee, because then there's still the separation, you know, from the coffee and the condensed milk. So I'm not sure if you can hear me, I can barely hear myself, you know? Oh gosh, there's lightning now as well. Wow, check it out. Oh, everybody's getting wet. So yeah, that's what it is. O is sugar, coffee by itself is coffee by itself. And C, the C is for condensed milk. Now we know. Now you know. Yes. Wow, it's like literally cascading down these stairs. Crazy how much water is up in that air. Woo. Not going anywhere for a while. Okay guys, so getting out while it stopped raining, heading back to the place that we stay. A little bit hungry actually, but we'll just head back now. Gosh, look at the roads. Yeah, we'll just head back now. So that cost $10.80 in total. That was 2 coffees and the sweet things. Yeah, so pretty good. I'm just gonna actually go into this shop with you, so 1 second. Okay, not much in there really. Yeah, it's all kind of like fake electronics stuff. Well, maybe just brands I didn't notice, that we'll recognize. Cool. I might just show you this. See the crown just there? So that, I think, is the crown of the Sultan. So that'd be the Sultan of Johor. And like there is like a kind of crest that has the crown in the middle and then 2 tigers. So that's why I keep seeing tigers everywhere. You can see over here, for example, there's a tiger. Okay, I'm just gonna get something snacky, I think. Am I? No, maybe I'll wait for lunch. Actually no, I might get one of these. Rice X yogurt. That sounds like me, doesn't it? I don't know. Let's see. No, I decided against it. I think all the coffee, well, all the sugar in the coffee that I've just had is, yeah, I think if I have that as well, I'll start going to some sort of sugar shock thing. Okay, so going back to the place. Not a very successful mission. The mission was to get rid of these, or at least get them cleaned. Oh well. I think go back, we'll see. Not really sure. Yeah, with the rain and stuff, crossing over borders, getting in and out of things and walking around doesn't really entice me too much. But we'll see. Here's the crown, by the way. There's a closer shot of it. Pretty cool. Yeah, okay, so I'm heading back to the place. Cool. If I find anything to report, I'll let you know. Catch you in a bit. Okay guys, so we are back at our place. I'm not sure what we're doing. I'm just gonna round this video up here just as a short one. Thanks for following, thanks for watching, thanks for waiting with me while the rain stopped. Oh, some blue sky up there actually. Okay, if it gets more blue sky, I think we might be going to Singapore, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Just need to go check up with Usher, and then I guess we'll get back to you. Otherwise, don't know. Not sure what's happening. But yeah, cheers for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Trying to grow it, grow. Trying to grow the community as well, and like really, you know, maybe you know, kind of share travel tips and things and culture and stuff with other people, with people around the world. So cheers guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you share it. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.